Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking in. I hope you guys are having a super fantastic day. I am here today, guys, to talk to you about my April empties, my April Scentsy Empties, guys. All of the amazing products that I have used in the month of April. Guys, have you heard the amazing news that it's only $20 to join Scentsy this month? So get in while supplies last, guys. You can get paid off of your purchases too, guys. Income disclosures in the comments, guys, but I'm excited. Join for $20 and guys, get paid off all of your purchases, guys. So I'm excited to tell you what I have used in the month of April. I'm my biggest customer. Absolutely love Scentsy. I absolutely love Scentsy. So it's a smart decision for me to join, and you should do the same. Just wanted to put that out there. So the first thing that I warmed up in the month of April is Havana Cabana wax bar. It is so good, guys. Luscious medley of pineapples, oranges, bananas, and berries. So Havana Cabana wax bar is what I use. It comes in other things too. So you can go to my website and click in wicklessallstars.com is the website. Wicklessallstars.com is in the description. And you can go and see all the things that Havana Cabana comes in. So that's what I warmed up this month, well, the month of April. It's Havana Cabana. The next thing that I warmed up, guys, is Squeeze the Day wax bar. Squeeze the Day wax bar. Actually, I have 3 bars that I used of Squeeze the Day. 3 bars, if I can hold them all together and show you in my hands. I love Squeeze the Day. It's my favorite. It's part of my Scentsy Club, guys. You go to Scentsy Club. On a $30 order, you get 10% off. On a $60 or above order, you get 10% off plus a half price item, and you get a whiff box for half off. So I love Scentsy Club, and these are in my Scentsy Club. But I also gave a lot to my Scentsy Club subscribers. So I gave each person a cube of wax if they had not tried Squeeze the Day, because I love Squeeze the Day. So it's Pucker Up, lemon lovers. I'm a lemon lover. Pucker Up, lemon lovers. You've officially found your signature scent in this tart and true fragrance of pure lemons, balanced by a hint of vanilla cream. Guys, it is all of that. The description is just doesn't do it justice, guys. Love some Squeeze the Day wax bar. And it also comes in different scents. So if you go to my website, you'll be able to see all the different scents that Squeeze the Day comes in. Also, let me put these away. The next thing that I warmed up is lemon verbena pods. Here's the pod. Here's what a pod looks like. So lemon verbena pods, fresh lemon zest, bright kaffir lime, and verbena leaf. So I absolutely love this scent. And it also comes in a wax bar too. So or room sprays and stuff like that. So go to my website, check it out, guys, and you'll be able to see what lemon verbena comes in. So I love it. Love it. Okay, the next thing I have is Coco Lime pods. Coco Lime pods, guys. So Coco Lime pods, I warmed that up too. Put it in the wall fan, and it diffused throughout my bathroom. I normally keep that in my bathroom, and I'm thinking about putting another wall fan in the kitchen. As you can see, I have Scentsy everywhere. I'm my biggest fan, a big customer of Scentsy. Love it. So Coco Lime is coconut milk and creamy vanilla. Get energized with the citrusy splash of fresh lime. So this was good, really good for the bathroom. Had it smelling amazing. And also have Coco Lime wax bar. So I had Coco Lime wax bar, which is coconut milk, creamy vanilla, gets energized with the citrusy splash of fresh lime. So huge fan of that. So good. Coco Lime. Yes, loved it. The next scent that I used, guys, was Magnolia Linen. Loved it. It was fresh. It was clean. It was sun-washed linen dances in the breeze amid a garden of magnolia and honeysuckle. So you smell the magnolia. You smell the fresh breeze. You smell the sun-washed fresh linen. And don't forget the honeysuckle. So you do smell that too. So it's so good, guys. Magnolia Linen. So good. And the next thing I used was lemon sorbet wax. As you can see, I'm a lemon lover, love lemon. So it was so good. Fresh cut lemon and grapefruit zest, sweetened by sugar cane. So it was good. Lemon sorbet wax bar. Loved it. So good. Lemon sorbet. And the next thing that I thought was absolutely delicious, absolutely divine, was Dancing Sugar Plums Wax Bar. Dancing Sugar Plums Wax Bar. Rich spiced plum falls right in step with visions of vanilla and sweet cinnamon apple. So good. It was like, to me, black raspberry vanilla and Welcome Home had a baby. So it was so good. So good. So Dancing Sugar Plum. So good, guys. Love this one. Loved this one so much. So much. Loved it. Okay, and the next one I used, guys, was Mahalo Coconut Pods. Paradise is only a whiff away with floral Hawaiian lei and a violet over fruity fresh pineapple coconut. So Paradise is only one whiff away with floral Hawaiian lei and violet over fruity fresh pineapple and coconut. So yes, this was really, really good. And I have the pods, I think, still in the so that's how long they last. I mean, you really, really enjoy it. So good. So that's what I have now. Okay, so this one I'm using now, guys, that I have is Hibiscus Pineapple Pies. Hibiscus Pineapple Pies. So I have that here. The pods is what I use. I love the pods. So good, and they're still fresh. So you can put them in your drawer, put them in your hamper, and you can still smell the scent come from each pod. So love the pods. Love them. Okay, so Hibiscus Pineapple and a touch of sweet mandarin tell an enchanting tropical tale. Loved it. So yes, Hibiscus Pineapple, guys. Still available on my website, so go check it out. Add it to your Scentsy Club. Okay, guys, the next thing that I used that I loved and I enjoyed was this big tub of Windowsill Breeze Washer Whisk, guys. Loved it. Fresh, clean breeze flutters through crisp linen in a perfect spring moment. So this was so good, guys. Definitely will be ordering it again. So I love it. And I also use it in Windowsill Breeze Dryer Disc. I use it in the dryer disc, guys. So fresh, clean breeze flutters through crisp linen in a perfect spring moment. So I loved it. So good. So good, guys. So yes. So that's my little bucket of things. So the next thing that I use, guys, was Squeeze the Day pods. I love Squeeze the Day. It's my favorite. I have Squeeze the Day and everything. Room sprays, pods, wax. Love it. Everything, scent packs. Everything that Squeeze the Day comes in, I love it. It's my #1 favorite right now. So pucker up, lemon lovers. I'm a lemon lover. You've officially found your signature scent in this tart and true fragrance of pure lemons balanced by a hint of vanilla cream. Yes, love it. Pucker up, lemon lovers. You've officially found your signature scent in this tart and true fragrance of pure lemons balanced by a hint of vanilla cream. So good, guys. So I had Squeeze the Day pods. So Squeeze the Day pods. Loved it so much. Okay, and the next thing that I warmed up or I use, which is absolutely amazing, is the Scentsy Fresh, guys. The Scentsy Fresh. Eliminate unpleasant odors with the squeeze of the trigger. So you just have the trigger. Pew, 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 pew. Squeeze of the trigger. That's how you do it. Squeeze it. Spread on all the things, guys. You can spritz it on hard to wash fabrics like your carpets, furniture, upholstery, bedding, curtains, or wherever you want a burst of long-lasting Scentsy fragrance. This scent is crisp greens, orange flower, creamy violet, even a hint of white wicker basket. That's what it is. Will let you savor the scent of just washed laundry, dried naturally in fresh air anytime you please, guys. So this is so good. It eliminates odors, hard to wash fabrics like carpets, furniture, curtains, imparts a long-lasting fragrance. And it's available in other scents. We have a variety of scents in Scentsy Fresh. So this is my favorite. My favorite staple is the Scentsy Fresh. Love it. Clothesline. Favorite scent. Love it. Besides Squeeze the Day, of course. So if this came with Squeeze the Day, oh my God, guys, if this came with Squeeze the Day, I would be like, oh my God. Because I would surely get it if it came with Squeeze the Day. So Scentsy, Squeeze the Day for Scentsy Fresh. And they say last is the Squeeze the Day Counter Clean. Squeeze the Day Counter Clean. So I use it in Counter Clean, argon. And I just clean everything, guys. So pucker up, lemon lovers. You've officially found your signature scent. So this is my signature scent. And this tart and true fragrance of pure lemons balanced by a hint of vanilla cream. So that's it, guys. That's everything that I warmed up, used for the month of April. I will be back again in the next video, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I love you guys. You are amazing. Scentsy spirit. And just keep rocking it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Love you all. Have a good day.